What's up, everybody? This is Dayson Civil. I am doing something a little different today. I'm learning finger drumming, and the way that I'm learning finger drumming is I'm using Melodics. I got the Sacred Futures kit, and if you're a part of Tracklib, you have a Tracklib Sacred Futures Native Instruments collaboration where you can learn finger drumming. Let me switch screens for a moment. Actually, what I have here, these pads here, and we're going to learn how to do a little finger drumming today. If you look down here, you can't really see. I'm going to move this out of the way. If you look down here, you have your finger patterns right here. So you have your finger patterns right here. You can use your first finger and your second finger, and then you're going to play the drums on a particular pad, or whatever sounds on that particular pad. All right, so here we are. We're going to work on this real quick. We're going to get into this little groove right here that we're going to do. Learning finger drumming. Oh, yeah. 21 out of 100. I did horrible. All right, so I like to get better. I'm gonna try it again. Ready and go and whoa. I got 55%. I did better. You can't see because I kind of got it covered. Let me move this out of the way. This is the next part. So now it's going to add the kick into it. So I want to listen to the next step. Woo! Boom, boom, cat, boom, 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 cat. I'm gonna stop this. So as you can see here, now it's added. I got two fingers at the bottom. I got this one finger right here, so it's kind of doing that. So everything is on the one. So. Woo. And ready and go. I got 50. Yeah, I passed. I would rather get 100. You know me. I'm gonna try it again. Ready, go. got 60 this time. Yeah. All right. So we did better. Now let's move on to the next step. Oh my goodness. What are we adding now? All right. So let's check this out. Let's listen. Okay. So let's try that. Here we go. Sacred Futures. 2 and ready and go and. Oh man, I messed up. Got 34. Let's try this again. This time I need to look up instead of looking down. So I'm gonna go ahead and look up. 2, ready, and go and. Ah, 38. That wasn't good. Let's do it again. 1, 2, go and. We're gonna do that solo. Ready, go and. I did 50. I passed. You know, I guess, you know. Pretty soon I'm gonna be able to just come and beat out everything. I'm gonna be like a gnarly and Dotson and just bang everything out. All right, so let's go to the next step. I got in with 50. Let's see how they're gonna add this. So now we gotta do the guitars and all that stuff. So now it's gonna be 2 fingers. 2 fingers. So I'll be. Let's see how they're gonna do this. Oh. All right, let's see if I can do it. Here we go. Ready, go. Woo-hoo-hoo! I got 66, baby. We getting better. All right, let's go to the next step. What they're adding now. See, now they want to add the bass in. That's a lot. And I'm using one finger. All right, let's see what this sounds like. Okay. So I feel the mess up in it too. Now I did not count. I'm gonna have to really look. Woo! Look at that. A free Melodics Techno Pack. It says we've emailed you the link. Check your inbox. Okay. I did 5 minutes. All right. That was a lot, man. You finger drummers. Oh my goodness. All right. Now they're trying to make us put it all together. Come on now. This is where they had their hands just to the side. Let me just say, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Let's see if we can do it.
What are you doing?
I'm recording.
Hi.
I didn't even see your face up there. Ready? All right, so I want to record 2, 3, and 4, and woo! Let's do it again. 3 and 4. That was horrible. I passed that. That was horrible. I have to say, you guys, you finger drummers, y'all doing it up. All right, everybody, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This is Dayson Silver. Come on, we need to get those subscribers up. Come on, let me know that you like this channel. We got more stuff, more sound kits to review, more music to do, more music to make, more things to put out there. And comment. Let me know if you're not interested in something. Let me know if you don't like something. Engage with me. Come on, let's build a community. Everybody, we want to get this up. We want to do new things, have things that people can really be interested in. This is Dayson Civil of Civil Days Music signing out. Peace.